What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And what I want to share with you in this video is how you can earn $5,000 per month with membership sites. Now, I was put on to membership sites by a one of my sponsors and a particular company that I had promoted just a few years ago. And he was telling me how he's able to generate extra recurring income every single month with his various membership sites. So that's when I first started to hear about them. That's when I first kind of started to, kind of play around with them, build them or whatever else. But now I actually use them a hell of a lot more now. My membership sites, they can be anywhere from training. There are also sites where I have, where actually I keep my, my course products or whatever else. So anyways, let me get to the training. So the reason why I love membership sites, I love membership sites because of the recurring income, right? So if you're been searching online or whatever else trying to figure out how you can create passive income, well, this is how you can do it. Most people think to create passive income that they have to join like a network marketing company or sell Avon or do all this type of stuff, and you really don't have to do that. Those are just a few ways that you can earn residual income, just like even with like affiliate marketing, right? But you can create recurring income, monthly recurring income, by creating your own membership site, right? Another thing that I love about membership sites is predictable income. So what I mean by this is basically you can have an idea of what you're going to earn the following month. Even if you, let's say like the next month is April. So let's say in April you decide that you don't want to work, right? You decide that you want to go travel and backpack in Europe or whatever else, and you're just not going to do any work, right? So even if you weren't to do any type of work in April, you would at least know that you'll have a X amount of dollars coming in because of your recurring income from your membership sites, right? And I even, I think I read it in a book or maybe on like a YouTube video or something like that. It was a man talking about how he was hosting an event and he told people, hey, if you know how much money you're going to earn next month for a definite answer, you already know how much money you're going to make minimum next month, stand up. And he was saying out of that whole room of people, only maybe like a handful of people stood up, right? What does that tell you? That tells you that a few people have, of course, have membership sites or that they're, generating recurring income streams. But the other people are just basically getting sales, like one-off sales, right? And one-off sales are cool or whatever else, but you're always going to have to be, at your desk working or always consistently trying to acquire new customers or whatever else. If you go ahead and set up a membership site, again, you can have that recurring income, so you already know beforehand how much money you're going to be earning next month. Yes, some people may fall off or whatever else, but you still have a good idea of how much money you can earn the following month. So that's the reason why you want to have some type of recurring income model inside of your business as one of your income streams. Now, with membership sites, they can be priced anywhere from $9 a month to $297 per month, $297 per month. Now, they can definitely go higher than this, and that depends on the content and the value provided. Usually when I see higher price points, like I even seen membership sites, that are like $3,000 per month, but that's usually for like, higher ticket private masterminds or whatever else, when you start getting into those type of numbers. But usually about $9 to $297 per month is with a membership site. Now, the next thing you want to do is, if you watch my videos, I always tell people to do the math, right? Just break down the numbers. So $5,000 may seem like a lot to you, depending on who's watching this video. But if you just break down and do the math, you can see how achievable this is. So if you were to create a membership site and you only charge your members $15 per month to have access to that membership site, and I actually seen this with a really popular social media type of marketing company that does this, and they only charge their members $15 per month. So if you get 333 members per month, or maintain 333 members per month who are paying $15, that's $5,000 per month. If you have 75 people per month paying you $67 to have access to that membership site per month, that's $5,000. And then also with 52 members, 52 members a month paying $97 will also get you $5,000. Okay. Now you can also do this option as well. You can also create a membership site that provides free information, and then you can sell affiliate products or your own courses or products on the back end. So you can definitely do this for like a evergreen niche or something like that. Maybe something like parenting, or if you know anything about parenting or childcare or something like that, then maybe you can create like a membership site where you're talking about how to, some of the top parenting skills that help you when it came to raising your kids or whatever else. I'm not sure because I don't have any kids. But if you have some knowledge on that particular subject or whatever else, again, you can create a free membership site, give information for free. You just have people join that membership site. You can collect those emails. So now you're also building an email list as well. And then once they are members of that membership site, you can provide like products like strollers, parenting ebooks or whatever else. I hope you guys get the idea, pretty much. But that's how you can do that as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find a niche, right? So find a niche that is really popular. You can do this with really obscure niches. You can if you wanted to. But if this is brand new to you or whatever else, don't reinvent the wheel. Just find a niche that already has a lot of buyers and a lot of information that's already provided out there. So some ideas that you can use are health, wealth, relationships, children like newborns, toddlers, parenting, gaming, fanatics like, Star Wars fans, Star Trek fans, diehard fans of like TV shows or whatever else. You can create membership sites for this, right? And you can promote, you can charge per month, or you can also promote products and courses or whatever else on the back end. Now, one thing you need to know, whatever niche you choose, you want to be sure that there's plenty of information available so that you can always update and add more relevant content to your membership site to help keep your members engaged. And then also you want to see if there's other affiliate products or products that you can promote, I said, on the back end so you can earn more sales, right? Make sure you have those things in place. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to find a place to create your membership site. So you can use Facebook groups, right? So you can have a PayPal or a Stripe account set up to where people have to pay this recurring fee through Stripe or PayPal, and then you can give them access to the Facebook group. If at any point they cancel that membership through PayPal or Stripe, you would just remove them from the group. You have that option. You can also have Teachable.com is another place where you can create a membership site. Also Kajabi, you can create one through WordPress, and then you can also create them through ClickFunnels, and that's where I have my membership sites located in ClickFunnels. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to determine what type of content you will have in your membership site. So will it be like static content, meaning will you already have some trainings or videos that are in there and they will never change? They're pretty much as is and that's it. Or will you add new content every single month? Okay, if you do that, make sure you let the people know who are thinking about becoming a member of your membership site. Let them know that in advance, right? Is it going to be like video based? All your your content is going to be about on videos, or is it going to be in PDF documents or something like that? Also, these type of like a membership site or whatever else, or a continuity program, pretty much. You can send them emails so they can get like tutorials or information sent to their email every single day as part of being in this membership site, right? And then also you can provide, again, static content, but each month you do live Q&A sessions each month. You also have that option as well. And there's so many ways you can actually provide content to your membership site. If you end up doing like a live Q&A session or something like where they can have access to you, then you can definitely move up the price point up to like the the $47, $67 per month price point. You can do that for sure. Now, when you are creating your membership site, a great way to start promoting that is you want to have a sales letter or a sales video. Now, in this letter or this video, you want to provide value, let people know what to expect inside of the members area. Let them know what, possible problems the information inside of your membership site will solve for them, right? Also, tell them up front that it's a recurring monthly fee. If you do not do this, then you're going to probably have people, doing chargebacks or whatever else, saying that they didn't know that this was a recurring charge. So let people know right off the bat, especially if you're going to be using like Facebook ads to drive traffic to a membership site. It's a requirement that you have that on your sales page, that you let people know that it's a monthly recurring subscription. So make sure you just tell people right off the bat. Just be transparent with it, okay? And then if you have any testimonials, let's say like you already have a product or a course that you have been putting out there and you have testimonials of people saying that they had results or something like that from using your information or going through your membership site, grab those testimonials and add them to your sales page, okay? Then you want to drive traffic to that sales page, all right? You can drive traffic directly to that sales page, or what I typically do is I create a complete sales funnel, meaning I have a opt-in page, a thank you page, sales video, and then access to the actual membership site, okay? And again, I do all that stuff through ClickFunnels. So you can create a sales funnel, right? Have people to opt in, and on a thank you page, you can tell people about your membership site, or you can tell them through emails, like a series of emails, you know, more about you, your products, your services, and then let them know through a pitch email how they can join your membership site to get access to this additional information or whatever. Now, as far as like the traffic sources, you can use YouTube, Facebook ads, free Facebook strategies. Also, if you have a website or a blog, talk about it on there. That's another way you can drive traffic, and you can also do paid advertising. And again, like I said, if you use like Facebook or something like that, you have to let people know up front that they are that if they become a member, that they will see a recurring charge every single month until they cancel. You have to let people know that, okay? Now, some things you want to know before, you know, creating your sales funnel or whatever else. You want to continuously send traffic to that membership site, as people tend to cancel their subscriptions over time. Some people like may keep their subscription for 3 months. Some people keep it for 6 months. Some people may keep it for longer, right? But just because you have like, you know, like a set number of people inside of your membership site that is helping you to get that $5,000 per month, it doesn't mean that those people will always be there. So you always need to send continuous traffic to that membership site to get new people inside of your membership site, pretty much. And then also provide more value and more content. And by you doing this, it will actually help you to keep a higher retention rate, right? So what I mean by retention rate, basically the longer people will stay on as part of your membership site, okay? But you want to make sure that you're providing a lot of value and content in order to do that. So that's pretty much how you're going to do like $5,000 per month with membership sites. One of my membership sites that I have, and I usually kind of promote it in the description, the video description of my YouTube videos, is my Diamond Empire Academy. Now with Diamond Empire Academy, it has content in there from like you know, past webinars that I have done, past trainings that I have done as well, that I know can be extremely helpful to people, especially when they're kind of in that newbie or intermediate phase when it comes to building their business online. So that's why I went ahead and created it. And I actually in the midst of updating it because I want to kind of change up the structure a little bit or whatever else. So right now we're looking right now in my back office for ClickFunnels, and this is where I create, like I said, all my membership sites. Also where I have when I have my digital courses, I have them all housed through ClickFunnels. And as you can see here, you can just add any type of training in here. It can be text-based, it can be video-based, and you'll just add your training here. So this is kind of what the site looks like. This is Diamond Empire Academy, and you can kind of see like the content that I have back here. So like success marketing, I have like the 5K per month blueprint, how to hit your goals, the money mastermind workshop. Basically, like if you're not tracking your numbers every single day, there's no way for you to really know how much money you're really earning inside of your business. You really need to know every single day how much money you're bringing in. Also Facebook marketing, increasing your engagement, my posting routines for your personal profile and fan page, how to add your friends. Then for sales marketing, I showed my simple sales funnel, how you can create one, my value and my ultimate lead funnels that I got a lot of results with, and all you have to do is just change the information pretty much. Then my whole Ecom Diamond course, so you know, the Shopify A to Z workshop, what is drop shipping, all that type of stuff, that whole course is back here. And then also I have my webinar vault. So inside of this webinar replay vault, I show how you can slam out $1,000 days every single day on social media. What you can do in your first 90 days online. How to crush your business with Facebook groups. How to earn $5,000 per month with video marketing. Pure lead generation workshop. This is going to show you how to get 100+ leads every single day inside of your business. how you can dominate your business using Facebook, and then also fan page domination. And that's just what I have back there now. And like I said, I plan on, I'm actually tweaking this week, or like this week and the coming week, to either add more content or something like that. I'm still trying to figure out the typical, the structure that I will do for this. But if you want access to this, below this video, in the description below, go ahead and click on the link. It says to get access to Diamond Empire Academy, and you can go ahead and get access to this membership site and get access to all this training. But again, guys, if you just keep it really simple, provide value, set up your membership site, and make sure that you're always driving traffic to that membership site and providing engaging content, that's a really great way for you to generate recurring income every single month simply by using membership sites. Okay, so hopefully you found this video really helpful, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so you can get more updates when I do videos like this. And until the next one, peace.